Hello everyone. Let us start with problem number 6 from exercise 13a. The problem statement is, in what ratio is the join of 4,3 and 2,-6 divided by the x-axis? Also find the coordinates of the point of intersection. Now, just for the sake of representation, I will draw the coordinate axis. This is y-axis, this is negative y-axis, this is x-axis, this is the origin, right? This is x dash. Now let us say our point A here is 4,3. You can obviously see that it lies in the first quadrant, and the point B will lie in the fourth quadrant, which is 2,-6. Now let us join these 2 points with a straight line. This point P, which lies on the x-axis, divides the line segment AB into 2 parts, that is AP and PB. So let us say that the ratio is k:1. Why? You will see we have to minimize the number of variables here. If we say m1:m2, the problem becomes tedious and sometimes it cannot be solved. Now the coordinates of point P are not known, but we know the y coordinate of point B. Why? Because any point lying on the x-axis will have its y coordinate 0. This is the key, remember. So y coordinate is 0, right? So we will say let the x coordinate of point P be x. Now we can start with our solution. Now if we compare, we get x1 as 4, y1 as 3, x2 as 2 and y2 as -6, correct? And m1 as k and m2 as 1, right? So as we know the y coordinate of point P, we can start with the y coordinate. What was the formula for y coordinate? Y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2, right? So we will substitute the value of y, which is 0, as obviously we can see here. 0 is equal to m1 is k, y2 is -6 plus m2 is 1 and y1 is 3 divided by k plus 1. If we cross multiply, we get -6k plus 3 equal to 0, which means k equal to -3 by -6, which implies k equal to 1 upon 2, right? So if k is 1 upon 2, here we had AP upon PB equal to k by 1, right? So we can say here 1 upon 2 upon 1, which is nothing but 1 upon 2. So AP is to PB is 1:2. So this is 1 and this is 2. So don't worry about the numbers here. So we got the ratio, which is 1:2, right? And we need to find the x coordinate also. Now if we know k, we can easily find out the x coordinate. So what is x? m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2, right? We will substitute the values. m1 is now 1, right? m1 is 1 here and m2 is 2, as you can see, right? 1:2. 1 upon m2. So we'll say 1. What is x2 is 2 plus m2 is 2, x1 is 4 divided by 1 plus 2. So we get x equal to 2 plus 8 upon 3, which implies x is equal to 10 upon 3. Therefore, the coordinates of point P are 10 by 3, 0. Obviously, the y coordinate will be 0. So, this is our answer, and the ratio was 1:2. So, I will see you in the next video.